Now to that urgent investigation into the shooter suspected of ambushing the home of a federal judge in New Jersey. He is now also suspected of killing a lawyer in California and may have been targeting others before committing suicide. Stephanie Ramos joins us now from New Brunswick, New Jersey. And Stephanie, another judge in New York is now under protection.
Exactly, Whit. The photo, address, and name of a New York State chief judge were found in suspect Roy Den Hollander's car just a day after police say he opened fire on federal judge Esther Salas' home, injuring her husband, who's recovering here at the hospital. This morning, prominent New York State Chief Judge Janet DeFiore under police protection after New York Governor Andrew Cuomo directed state police to provide security for the judge.
In the car that the body was found, they also found a picture of our Chief Judge, Janet DeFiore, her name and her address. I have directed the state police to provide security for our Chief Judge.
The FBI now calling Manhattan attorney Roy Den Hollander the prime suspect in 2 murder investigations.
We still don't know what the motive was, where the threat's coming from. Is it connected to anything that we're doing?
On July 11th, authorities say Mark Angelucci, a well-known attorney and a self-described men's rights activist, was gunned down on his front doorstep by a man dressed like a FedEx driver. 8 days later, across the country in New Jersey, investigators say Roy Den Hollander, also dressed like a FedEx driver, opened fire on the home of federal judge Esther Salas, killing her son and wounding her husband. Hollander, who billed himself as an anti-feminist attorney, made scathing remarks about Salas in a self-published memoir, furious over her handling of his lawsuit challenging the males-only military draft. 1 day after the attack on her home, police found Den Hollander dead from a self-inflicted gunshot wound 100 miles north of the crime scene. Investigators say they discovered several items along with his body: 2 handguns, several $1,000s, a FedEx package addressed to Judge Salas, and dozens of names written on a piece of paper, including the name of prominent New York State Chief Judge Janet DeFiore. Early Tuesday, authorities seen hauling boxes from his New York City apartment. Sources tell ABC News Den Hollander had been diagnosed with cancer. Officials are now investigating whether these attacks were grudge killings. Michael.
Still so many questions. Thank you so much, Stephanie.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.